When you're deep in the wild, no Wi-Fi, no backup, just you in the woods, only one thing stands between comfort and chaos: your gear. And not just any gear. I'm talking rugged, tested, no excuses equipment that earns its spot in your pack. The kind of gear that keeps you warm, powered, sheltered, and moving when Mother Nature decides to play rough. So if you're tired of cheap junk and want the real deal essentials that actually hold up out there, let's get into it. This beast right here, the Jackery SOLARSAGA, is your silent powerhouse when you're off-grid. Whether you're deep in the woods or camping out on a rocky ridge, this panel turns sunlight into life-saving juice for your gear. It folds flat, sets up in seconds, and starts pumping energy like a champ. And that built-in kickstand keeps the angle just right without any hassle. It's water-resistant, built tough, and pairs beautifully with power stations like Jackery Explorer, making it a no-brainer for any serious camper. Now here's the thing, this isn't just a gadget, it's your lifeline. Imagine charging your GPS, your phone, even your drone out there in the wild, completely off the grid. You don't have to worry about drained batteries anymore. You just find the sun, pop this open, and you're back in business. It's reliable, rugged, and it's built for the kind of camping where backup isn't an option, only preparedness. When weight matters and space is tight, the Cat Ultralight tent steps up and delivers. This is the kind of shelter you want when you're hiking solo and every ounce counts. It sets up lightning fast with trekking poles or sticks, and despite how compact it is, there's still room to stretch out and sleep comfortably. The waterproof layer is no joke. It shrugs off rain like it's nothing and holds up to windy mountain nights like a champ. This tent isn't just gear, it's your personal cocoon out in the wild. Whether you're doing stealth camping, backpacking through the backcountry, or just hitting a solo trail, it gives you the safety and coverage you need without any dead weight. Packs down small, goes up quick, and gives you peace of mind when the skies turn angry. This is what solo camping should feel like: light, fast, and damn reliable. Now this little piece of genius right here is your clean water insurance plan. The Hydropack 28mm filter kit screws right onto your bottle or soft flask and instantly turns sketchy stream water into safe, drinkable hydration. No pumping, no waiting, no hassle. Just scoop, sip, and move. And the filter is rated for thousands of liters. This thing's ready to run the long haul with you. You ever get caught out there with no clean water source for miles? That's when this tool becomes your MVP. It's ultralight, fits right in your pocket, and it's built for those who move fast and don't have time to mess with complicated water systems. Whether you're trail running, bushcrafting, or camping out for days, this kit is peace of mind in the palm of your hand. No nonsense, just pure performance. Let's talk comfort, the kind of comfort you feel after a long day of hiking. The NatureHike One Snap Chair is that sweet reward when your boots are dusty, your shoulders are sore, and you finally get to rest. It snaps together in seconds with its shock cord frame and packs down crazy small, barely takes up space in your pack. Yet when you sit down, it's stable, breathable, and actually feels like a chair, not a toy. This isn't some throwaway folding stool. It's serious camp comfort engineered for the long haul. You can trust it to hold up on gravel, mud, or uneven ground, and it supports your back just right. Whether you're setting up at base camp or chilling by the fire under the stars, this chair makes those moments feel earned. Light, strong, and damn near essential if you want comfort without compromise. This one's a total game changer for summer camping. The Cooney 10-inch misting fan doesn't just move air, it brings the chill. When the tent turns into a sauna or the midday heat hits like a truck, this beast kicks in with a powerful airflow and a built-in misting system that cools you down instantly. With rechargeable battery power, USB-C charging, and up to 48 hours of runtime, it's made to outlast the heat without needing a wall socket. And here's the best part, it's whisper quiet. So when you're trying to get some rest after a long day on the trail or just hang out in the shade, this fan keeps things breezy without sounding like a jet engine. It's portable, folds flat, and works like your personal air conditioner out in the wild. If you've ever suffered through a hot, still night in your tent, trust me, this fan's not a luxury, it's survival. Listen, when you've been out in the backcountry for days, covered in dust, sweat, and bug spray, nothing hits like a real shower. The CENTAURESS portable camping shower brings that clean, fresh feeling right to your campsite. With a built-in pump, long hose, and strong pressure, you're getting an actual shower experience, not just a drip. You can hang it from a tree or mount it on your vehicle. It's ready wherever you are. This isn't just about hygiene, it's about morale. When you're clean, you feel human again. Whether you're rinsing off after a muddy hike or just cooling down before bed, this portable setup keeps you refreshed and ready to go. It's compact, runs off USB power, and stores easily in your gear setup. Once you try this thing, you'll never go back to wet wipes and hope. Water is life, and when you're in the wild, the ZUKRO 1-gallon jug makes sure you've got enough of it. Clean, cold, and ready to pour. This jug is built tough, double insulated, and designed to keep water icy cold for hours, even in blazing heat. Whether you're refilling your hydration pack, making camp coffee, or just staying topped up, this jug's always got your back. And the details? They nailed it. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning super easy, and that flip-top spout, perfect for one-hand pouring when you're multitasking around the fire. Plus, it's got a solid handle and rugged base, so you can set it anywhere. You can't afford to run dry out there, and this jug's the no BS solution that keeps hydration simple, reliable, and built for the real world. This right here is not your average soft cooler. The insulated leak-proof backpack cooler is built for the adventurer who wants ice-cold drinks and hands-free hauling. It's tough, it's streamlined, and it keeps your stuff chilled for up to 16 hours straight. We're talking beers, sandwiches, fruit, all fresh, all packed on your back, ready to roll wherever the trail takes you. But what really makes this thing stand out is its build. Comfortable padded straps, side pockets for utensils or water bottles, and a leak-proof liner that doesn't mess around. You can hike, bike, or camp out without worrying about soggy gear or melted messes. Whether you're headed to the lake, the peak, or just a fire pit with friends, this cooler makes sure the good stuff stays cold and the trip stays awesome. If you're serious about extended trips off-grid, the NewsMy Portable Power Station is the workhorse you want in your kit. This thing packs serious wattage in a sleek N-Li compact design. With multiple AC outlets, USB ports, and a sturdy carry handle, it keeps your essentials running. Phones, drones, lanterns, even laptops, without breaking a sweat. The LED screen shows your output and battery life like a pro-level dashboard. Here's the bottom line. When the sun goes down and you still need light, charge, or heat, this thing delivers. It's solar compatible too, which means total independence out in the wild. Whether you're in your tent editing drone footage or just want to run a fan all night long, this power station is the silent partner that never bails. Reliable, rugged, ready. This MultiTool survival beast is the kind of gear that earns its place on your belt or in your pack. It's compact, tactical, and loaded with must-have functions: blade, saw, fire starter, glass breaker, and more. This is the kind of all-in-one tool that actually performs in high-pressure situations. When stuff hits the fan, or you just need to cut cord, spark a flame, or punch through a jam, it steps up. You're not carrying it for looks. You're carrying it because it works. Whether you're navigating rough terrain, setting up camp in the rain, or just need a quick solution when the unexpected happens, this gadget doesn't ask questions. It's built for the kind of camper who doesn't mess around with gimmicks. Just rugged, ready, and made for the unpredictable wild. You want real meals at camp? You need real cookware. The NatureHike camping soup pot isn't some flimsy tin. It's a proper aluminum cooking pot designed to handle fire, heat, and hungry campers. It's lightweight, packs tight, and holds enough stew, ramen, or coffee for the whole crew. With its heat-resistant folding handles and solid lid, it gives you control over your campfire cooking like a backcountry chef. Whether you're simmering over coals or setting it on your gas stove, this pot doesn't warp, doesn't burn through, and won't let you down. It's easy to clean, stores fast, and lasts through seasons of use. From solo overnights to group cookouts, this pot brings warm, hearty meals to the wild, just the way they should be. When you're camping smart, a solid tarp is non-negotiable, and the StanSport Ripstop Camo Tarp nails it. It's lightweight but tough as nails, with reinforced corners and water-resistant coating that stands up to wind, rain, and sun. The camo print doesn't just look cool, it blends your setup right into the landscape, keeping things low-key and protected. Use it as a rain shelter, a ground barrier, gear cover, even a makeshift tent if you're in a pinch. It folds tight, but handles heavy weather like a champ. Whether you're bushcraft camping, protecting your gear stash, or just building a reliable base camp, this tarp becomes your first line of defense against Mother Nature's curveballs. Trust me, you don't want to be without it. The Moonshade XL isn't just a shade, it's a game changer for base camp comfort. This portable awning gives you a massive 9 by 12 foot footprint of shelter from sun and rain, all without needing a bulky RV setup. It anchors to your vehicle, trees, poles, whatever's nearby, and sets up in minutes. We're talking quick clamps, sturdy construction, and shade that actually stays put, even when the wind kicks up. And it's not just about covering space, it's about making camp livable. You can cook under it, chill under it, set up your table and gear, all with confidence it'll hold. When that midday heat gets brutal or sudden rain moves in, this awning keeps your setup clean, dry, and usable. Packs down small, carries light, and gives you a reliable roof wherever your rig takes you. Serious overland vibes. You want to keep your gear dry? You better trust your bags. And the Packlite Roll Top Dry Bag Set does not mess around. This trio of lightweight, rugged dry bags comes in 3 sizes, all with welded seams and roll-top closures that seal tight like a submarine hatch. Stuff in your clothes, electronics, food, whatever you can't afford to get soaked, and toss it into the canoe, the mud, or the bottom of your pack. The transparency window is a bonus. No more digging through bags trying to guess what's where. Whether you're crossing streams, hiking in a downpour, or packing up in morning dew, these bags make sure your essentials stay bone dry and organized. You're not camping in perfect weather every trip. So gear like this, it's the insurance that keeps your trip from turning into a soggy mess. Forget those flimsy pocket stoves. The Indwell infrared camping stove brings serious heat in a portable frame. This beast uses infrared tech to deliver high-efficiency, low-noise cooking that lights fast and stays consistent, even in wind or cold. With a solid fold-out base and wide burner head, you can slap a real pan on this and cook real food, not just noodles. This is for the camp chef who wants steak sears, stir fries, and sizzling morning eggs, not just boiling water. It's stable, easy to clean, and built like a tank. Whether you're setting up a base camp kitchen or just want reliable hot meals after long hikes, this stove delivers every time. Fuel efficient, flame-resistant, and fire-up ready when hunger hits hard. The Royal Mountain 30L is the kind of pack that gets out of your way and lets you move. Lightweight but strong, this thing holds just enough for a solid day hike or overnight without weighing you down. The breathable back panel keeps airflow moving even when you're sweating bullets on the climb. And with multiple compartments and external gear loops, everything has its place. What I love most? It's rugged without being overkill. It handles scrapes, rough trails, and rain with zero fuss. Throw in water bottles, trekking poles, snacks, gear, and you're ready to charge the trailhead. This isn't some big expedition pack. It's your grab-and-go, ride-or-die trail companion that's comfortable, compact, and always ready to roll. It just feels right on your back. This is more than a knife. It's a survival statement. The Moracniv Garberg Full Tang is a true workhorse built for serious outdoor use. We're talking full tang construction, razor-sharp Sandvik steel, and a grip that fits your hand like it was made for it. Whether you're batoning firewood, striking a ferro rod, or carving feather sticks, this blade takes the abuse and just keeps going. Every camper knows, your knife is your lifeline. And this one, it's got your back. The spine is squared for fire starting, the sheath locks tight, and it rides on your belt like a badge of wilderness honor. You want a blade that won't flinch when it's time to get serious in the backcountry? This is it. Clean cuts, solid feel, zero nonsense. Just raw performance from a brand that's earned its stripes. Cold creeps in and the fire's down to embers. The Hike and Bike Mummy sleeping bag is your personal furnace. It's ultralight but built for warmth with duck-down insulation that traps heat like a cocoon. Rated for low temps, it wraps snug around your body and seals in warmth without that stiff, bulky feel most bags have. Once you zip it up, you're not just warm, you're wrapped in comfort that follows you into deep sleep. And here's the kicker. It packs tiny. Stuff it into your pack and barely notice the weight. Yet come nightfall, it expands into a full-sized heat-locking shelter that makes cold nights feel cozy. Whether you're camped high in the mountains or facing early spring frost, this bag keeps you sleeping like a legend. No cold spots, no complaints, just real warmth when it matters most. Only a few more to go. Ready when you are for the final gear list. Thanks for watching, adventurers. If you found a piece of gear today that's going in your pack, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss the next drop. More wild gear, more real reviews, and more ways to make your next adventure legendary. Catch you out on the trail. Stay sharp.